Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 13 Introduction to Graph, worksheet 2. Okay, worksheet 1 we have already done. Worksheet 2 we are going to start today. Here in this sum, you have to plot a graph for this information. Okay, is given to you, this data is given to you. By using this data you have to draw a graph. Okay, here days in the month of October, first 1 2 3 4 7 days are given, and different temperatures for particular days are given to you. You have to draw the graph on this given data. On the basis of this data, let's start. Here Vijay, here this graph is given to you. How to draw? See, first of all, this is origin, you know this is our x-axis. Okay, here you will write x-axis, and this is our y-axis. Clear? And in the data it is given, this side days are given. In x-axis we will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days. You know, we will take one box. Okay, we will take the gap of one big box. Okay, this is our big box, and in between small boxes are with us. And on y-axis temperatures are given. Here in temperature, see bete, here in temperature it is given 14 18 16 13 19 and 20 and 17. Okay, to make it easy, because from 10 to 22 our temperature is given here in the data. If we will write all the numbers, then it will be long graph, means it will not come in one page. Okay, to make it easy and short, we will start from 10. Okay, because from here 0 to 10 we are directly writing this 10 after 0, it means we will make kink. Okay, this is called kink. Clear? This is called kink. If we are here, we are writing all the numbers from 0 to 1 to 2, means difference is equal, but here difference is not equal. That's why we will make kink here. Okay, because here is from 0 to 10, directly we take a jump, and after this difference is of two numbers. Okay, 10 12 14 16 like this. Now this is main new thing for you, rest you know. Here first is given 1 and 14. 1 is this and 14 from here. Okay, mark a point here, you can write the coordinates also. And next is 2 and 18, you can write. Okay, mark point. After this, here all these points you can mark. Okay, you can write the coordinates also. After this you will put a scale and join two dots. Okay, two points you will join. Okay, and draw this graph. Clear? Okay, in this way you can draw this. Now let's start second sum. In second sum beta, it is given liters of petrol filled. This is given. Cost of petrol given. Okay, 5 liters petrol will come for 250 rupees. 8 liters petrol will come for 400, like this. Okay, on the basis of this data we will draw graph. Here beta, it is given. See Vijay, here again in down the data is given from 5. Okay, from 5 it is starting. Then we will start from 5, because here again we jumped from 0 to 5 and rest all are one have gap of one number. Okay, from 0 to 5 we are writing directly, it means we will make a kink here. The rest is okay, rest is same. Okay, and on the other hand, on y-axis also from 250 we are starting. After this is the gap of equal gap is given 50-50, and here from 0 to 250 directly we are writing. That's why we will make a kink here. Getting? Okay, this is very important. Now we can mark the points. It is given 5 and 250, we can do from here also. Okay, this you know, main thing, kink and this. Okay, in x-axis we have taken these points and on y-axis we have taken these points, and this is important to write, this is compulsory to write y-axis and x-axis, and this side liters of petrol filled and here cost of petrol. Okay, after this firstly you will locate these points here, write their coordinates, after that join the points. Okay, try to do question number 3 and 4 also. I will send the solutions of those also. And firstly, take care of neatness. Okay, thank you.